This is a Scottsbluff kitchen, but actually in a floor plan that was named as Scottsbluff 2. We're going to take you on a tour of this kitchen. First, we start with this pantry. This has changed in the actual plan. This is a nice see-through look. I'm going to close in on this. I just think that this is beautiful. This is brown. It's totally a brown. It's the rustic beach. I don't know if I can get the angle just right. So you can see the rustic beach. I'm sorry, this isn't rustic beach. This is just beach. Savannah 15 and a frontier stain with a white kitchen. Now on this, I'm going to go through slowly. Pay attention to drawers versus doors. And if you like the Scottsbluff kitchen, she has a really great combination of doors versus drawers. She uses this as her baking section. So all of this has baking stuff inside. She has a USB port here, so you can sit at this bar and work. Then here we have the coffee station. Now this is different than in the plan and anything I've seen. It's actually quite smart. She dropped the countertop there, and it's actually a kid's vanity for the cabinets down below. So that is their coffee bar. You can insert your own sink. If this isn't a great example of find your own sink or do your own thing, you can do that. If you have a sink that you love or something we can't provide you, we will leave the space, and you can certainly do that. Here we have big, huge drawers. A trash can in the center for the island. So if you're watching this and this is your kitchen, pause in certain sections, take pictures, and decide what you would choose here. Drawers, doors, what would you want for cabinets? These are non-staggered cabinets, so it has a flat look across the top. That goes back into the laundry.